Good morning. I'm Sherry Andrews, and this is Let's Talk Legal. Happening live every Tuesday at 10, I'll bring you a timely topic each week that helps remove the mystery from all things legal. It's bite sized education for your business because an educated business owner makes better decisions. So, today we're going to talk about hiring an attorney. And I know that sounds about as pleasant as going to the dentist, and so you avoid making the appointment and taking care of the legal aspects of your business. But honestly, hiring an attorney is just like hiring a new doctor. The way you go about it, because you want someone that you can trust and build a long term relationship with, is the same. You ask your family, friends, coworkers, colleagues for recommendations. In the case of an attorney, you call the local bar association and you ask for referrals. You Google attorney and the keyword of what it is you need, for example, attorney divorce, and see what information you get for attorneys in your local area. In this way, you gather a list of names of potential attorneys. And once you have those names, you can now treat the process of finding an attorney much like dating. Yeah, I said that, dating. So the idea at this point is that you're going to look up your attorneys everywhere you can find them, every online dating app. And by dating app, I mean their website, their LinkedIn profile, their Facebook business page if they have one. And you're going to take a look at what they have on those sites. You're going to determine, does their branding resonate with you? In other words, are they a swipe right or a swipe left candidate? And do they provide the services you're looking for? In this way, you'll be able to eliminate some of the names that you've come up with, and you may end up with three or four, one or two, whatever, names of attorneys you actually want to contact. So now it's time to make the phone calls. And here's the deal with this, a lot of attorneys will offer a free initial consultation. Take advantage of that. And even if you have to pay for an initial consultation, it may be worth the investment for one or two of those paid ones, just to make sure that you're finding Mr. or Mrs. Right. Um, so when you make the phone calls, you're looking for the 5 C's. And these are the criteria by which you're going to evaluate whether this attorney is the right one for you. Number one is cost, because honestly, as a small business, you just don't have the budget, the money to throw at problems the way the big companies do. So, your budget is going to be a factor that you're going to need to consider. Does the attorney you're talking to charge by the hour? If they do, will they give you a firm estimate of how many hours your matter will take? Do they charge flat rate or a subscription model? You need to consider how much the attorney is going to cost. Some of them may simply be out of your price range. The second C, credentials. Don't be afraid to ask. Is the attorney licensed in your state? This is important because for most legal matters, attorneys are limited to the state in which they are barred. Um, have they done the type of work that you're looking for before? How much? How often? Have they had cases similar to yours? Now, if you're a small business listening to this, you're looking for an attorney who actually has experience in guiding and helping small businesses. Um, Final question, has the attorney had any disciplinary action taken against them? Um, if they haven't, it's an easy question. If they have, you should know what it is and what it's about to determine if that attorney's right for you. The third C, convenience. How easy is it to make an appointment with your attorney? Are they local? Is their office close? Will they meet with you virtually? These are all questions you want to know because if making an appointment with them is particularly difficult or inconvenient, it won't be good for the long term relationship. The fourth C, caring. In this one, just ask yourself, does this attorney appear engaged, personable, and really listening to me? Are they generally genuinely interested in what I have to say and about my business? Uh, do I get the feeling that they're distracted and just rushing me through this process? Do they get my business and my business objectives? You want an attorney that you feel like is really listening to you. It's an important thing. And the fifth one, and probably the most important, is comfort. Are you comfortable with this person? Because you need to be able to tell your attorney the truth and the whole unvarnished truth about everything that's going on with you and your business. Your attorney can't help you if you are not 100% truthful with what's happening. So the question is, do you feel that you can be completely honest and yet feel good about it and not feel judged with this person? So those are the 5 C's: cost, credentials, convenience, caring, and comfort. And hopefully, when you've evaluated those, you'll have found your right attorney. So this is Sherry Andrews on Let's Talk Legal, signing off for today. Come back next week on Tuesday at 10, and we'll be talking about document retention. Thank you.